In just minutes, the Immigration and Customs Enforcement Director is expected to face some tough questions on Capitol Hill. ICE Director Sarah Saldana will testify before a House Judiciary Committee hearing at the top of the hour. Ahead of the hearing, Republican Congressman Bob Goodlatte, chair of the committee, said in a quote, "Under the Obama administration's new enforcement priorities, millions of unlawful and criminal aliens who are not even eligible to benefit from deferred action programs can simply remain in the U.S. in violation of the law with no fear of immigration enforcement." Joining me now, Democratic Congresswoman Judy Chu of California. Congresswoman, pleasure to see you again.
Thank you for having me.
First, your reaction to these comments by Chairman Goodlatte.
I believe that the president's enforcement action will provide relief to millions of individuals, and that the others should be allowed to stay until there is further action.
You're saying the others, the ones that do not qualify, for example, under DAPA or DACA?
Exactly. Until there is further action. Of course, we put out a comprehensive immigration reform bill that would have allowed those who qualify to have a path to citizenship. But I do believe that there should be priorities as to who should be deported. And in fact, that's what the priorities memo is all about.
And what do you want to be asking ICE Director Saldana today?
Well, I was shocked when I heard that Director Saldana said that all criminals should be removed. In her defense, she did retract that statement the next day. But I do want to ask her whether she upholds the priorities memo, which makes those who are felons the greatest priority to remove, and others should be lower in the priority list.
You know, Congressman, there are reports, and I get them all the time, about folks who, for example, come back into the United States. They have kids that were born and raised in the United States. The parent may be deported. They return to the United States to be those kids, and they, if they are caught, are considered high-level deportation risks. When you talk about priorities, what are those priorities, and are they being respected?
Well, top on the priority list are the violent felons, but those who are lower on the priority list, according to this memo, are those that may have ties to the U.S., that have maybe one misdemeanor. And in fact, there are those who have come back, they have a legal wife, they have U.S. citizen children, and they've worked here for many, many years, and their misdemeanor may have been a long time ago. Those should be lower on the priority list.
Congresswoman Judy Chu, it's always a pleasure to see you. Thanks for being with me today.
Thank you.